equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid any damage to the components. Start by powering down the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. Keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, you will see the motherboard. Carefully inspect for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's crucial to address them before proceeding. For cleaning, use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the motherboard and surrounding areas. This step is vital to ensure optimal performance and prevent overheating. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, check the screws securing the motherboard. If any are loose, tighten them gently. If you need to replace any components, such as RAM or the CPU, carefully remove them by releasing the clips and lifting them out. Be cautious not to touch the gold connectors. When replacing thermal paste, clean the old paste off the CPU and heatsink using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste in the center of the CPU before reattaching the heatsink. This ensures proper heat dissipation. After reassembling the components, it's time to put the back panel on. Align it carefully and screw it back into place. Make sure all screws are tightened securely. Before powering on the laptop, double-check all connections and ensure everything is in its rightful place. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on the device. Monitor the system for any unusual sounds or behaviors. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations on your successful repair. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.